Hello friends, in this video we will learn to create our first Kotlin app in Android Studio. So let's start. Start a new project. Select empty activity. Click next. Here you can give your app name, a package name and the location to save this project. And select language as Kotlin and this one to support on phones for Android 4.1 or above. Then click on Finish. So this is our main Kotlin file and here's the layout file. You can find this layout file inside res folder here. You can run it on phone or you can create emulator from here. Then select the device and click on Run App. So our app is running. Now I want to show an image. Now copy your image first. Then right click on the drawable and paste the image. Click OK. Now let's add this image like this. Now you can attach top, left and right like this. Or else you can also attach this image from here. Let's add some text here. Now we have to place this text below this image. Click on your text view, remove this top connection and connect it to the bottom of the image. Now give some height and top margin. Remove this connection. Give top margin. And make the text bold. And increase text size. Now let's keep the text in the center. Now finally run this app. So finally you can see how easily we can create a first app in Kotlin. Watch the next video to see more Android Kotlin series. Thank you for watching this. Please like, share and subscribe for more videos.